Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have my top 5 from my fragrance tray from June. You all know that because I was traveling, I just recycled my June tray into July, and so we have a top 5, and these will probably not be surprising to you, but let's get right into what were my top fragrance from June and July. Well, first up, I just talked about this fragrance and I have loved it. I have enjoyed it. It's a warm, spicy fragrance with a brandy type of liqueur fragrance and has even pineapple in this. And that is Apple Brandy on the Rocks by Kilian. This is so good. This was so good. I've gotten many compliments. Even at my job, I got compliments on this fragrance. And again, I did not think I would love this warm, spicy fragrance in this hot heat in this summer. It has been a pleasant surprise, and I'm so glad I gave this a whirl on my tray and really discovered that I do enjoy this during the summertime. Next up, another compliment getter, and it has a little tonic type of scent, and this is Blanche Bette by Liquids Imaginaire. This is so good, you all. Oh my goodness, the sweetness of this is it's just so scrumptious and just gooey, ooey good. I love this. It's so luxury. It's just so good. If you love a good vanilla, latonic type of scent, but you like a sweet note, you would absolutely adore this. I love this down. I've had so many good experiences with this, and it's just so pleasant, okay? I definitely recommend that you pull this out for your luxurious experience for this summer as we are running out. But listen, you can use this in the fall, winter. This is a goer, okay? This is definitely a signature scent, and if you want to make a really good statement, a loud statement, she is definitely a best friend that you have to have. But I enjoyed her for my trips for the summer. This is definitely a fragrance that you want in your fragrance wardrobe. Next up, again, not a surprise, but this yellow floral I have talked about down in these 2 months, absolutely, and that is Bora Bora, okay? This is so good. This vanilla, this caramel, ylang ylang is in this, coconut milk, apricot, so that fruit. This is so beautiful and good. Another latonic fragrance with that coconut milk that I've gotten several compliments. This is a great tropical scent. If you have a tropical vacation coming up and you want to smell good, you want everyone else to compliment you, and you want a winner and don't have to think about, is it a winner? This is so good. So Bora Bora, if you like a good yellow floral, this is one to absolutely have in your collection, to absolutely take on your trips and all the things that you are doing for your summer. Next up, I have a white floral of jasmine, citrus, woody fragrance that I would highly recommend. You can wear this to bed, brunch, and anything in between, right? This is so good. This is Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. This is absolutely a classic, a beautiful fragrance. I know you all have to probably have this in your collection if you are a fragrance lover. This is, to me, like foundation, okay? Very classic, but it is so good, especially in the hot season. If you're looking for something citrus and earthy, but fresh, and yellow flower and warm, spicy, but fresh. This is so good. I love this down. I absolutely enjoy it. You can smell it. You get compliments. You just smell put together and beautiful. This is definitely a girly girl type of scent, in my opinion. It is Chef's Kiss. Highly enjoyed. And last but certainly not least, I'm sorry, it's a discontinued fragrance, but Guerlain, bring it back. Bring it back. I always talk about it. It is so good. And she is so impacting and powerful in coconut, and it's so good. This is such a beautiful coconut coconut fizz. Like when I say almost like a coconut fizzy soda, but aquatic, but not totally all aquatic. Like, this is beautiful. And I douse this on me, and you smell it. You smell good. You get compliments. If you like a good coconut fragrance, this is so good. I have babysat this. I will continue to babysit this until they bring out it again and it not be discontinued. But this is so good. I don't want to run out of this. I promise you, I just don't want to run out of it. It's that good and delicious, and it just feels so good on my skin. And this can be used for anything, and it lasts. Like, I really enjoyed this so much. I really doused myself this in July because I did not take this on my vacation, but I really drenched myself in this because I missed it so much, and I just felt like I couldn't get my hands on it, or I didn't get my hands on it because I didn't take this on any trips. But this is so good, like a beautiful coconut soda. And if you all are into a coconut fragrance, if you have this, pull it out. If you ever find this, if somebody is selling this, and hopefully they're not like, hopefully they're not price gouging you. Like, please don't. But if you do get this on a good deal, or if you find this Guerlain fragrance, you have to have it. It is a must. Get your nose on it. Honestly, if you like coconut, I would say even blind buy it. That's how good this is. Okay, so good. So, any occasion you can wear this. I love it down, and I really enjoy this, and it's definitely had to be a part of my top 5. Well, fam, that's all for my top 5 from my fragrance tray. What were you rocking and rolling with for the month of July? Did you have to recycle your tray like me? Or did you have some fragrances from your June tray that you wanted to put on your July tray? Okay, but let me know all the things. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the content if you enjoy, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.